Bitcoin, a revolutionary technology reshaping our financial landscape. But how does it work? And should you invest in it? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies, such as the US dollar or the euro, Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain. The word blockchain is often thrown around when talking about cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin specifically. But what exactly is it? Think of the blockchain as a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. It's a chain of blocks, with each block containing a group of transactions. These transactions are verified and added to the blockchain by a network of computers, known as miners. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they're rewarded with new Bitcoins. This process, known as mining, not only secures the network but also creates new Bitcoins, making it a self-sustaining system. But how do Bitcoin transactions actually work? Let's break it down. When you want to send Bitcoin to someone, you create a transaction. This transaction includes the recipient's Bitcoin address and the amount you want to send. Once you've created the transaction, it's broadcasted to the Bitcoin network, where miners pick it up. The first miner to solve the puzzle broadcasts the solution to the network for verification. Once verified, the new block's added to the blockchain, and the successful miners rewarded with freshly minted Bitcoins. It's important to note that Bitcoin transactions are pseudonymous, meaning they're not directly tied to your real identity. Instead, they're associated with your Bitcoin address, which is a long string of characters. One of the key features of Bitcoin is its security and decentralization. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin means that no single entity, like a bank or government, controls it. Instead, it relies on a global network of nodes and miners to maintain the system. Additionally, Bitcoin transactions are secured through cryptographic techniques. In this process, each transaction is individually signed with a private key. This key is exclusive to the owner of the Bitcoin address. While this provides a level of privacy, it's more important to secure your private keys, as they're used to sign transactions and access your Bitcoin holdings. To safeguard your funds, you utilize a wallet. A wallet's a digital tool designed for storing and managing your Bitcoins. It comes in two main types: software-based, such as online, desktop, or mobile wallets, and hardware-based, which involves using a physical device. Your wallet serves as the repository for your private keys, essential for authorizing transactions and accessing your Bitcoins. When delving into the world of Bitcoin, ensure you choose a secure and reputable wallet that aligns with your specific needs. Now, as you've probably already seen, Bitcoin can have quite high volatility. Bitcoin's price can fluctuate wildly over short periods, making it a high-risk investment. It's essential to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Despite the volatility, many people see Bitcoin as a potential store of value and a hedge against inflation. Similar to digital gold, its limited supply of 21 million coins makes it attractive to those concerned about the devaluation of fiat currencies. Currently, the final Bitcoins are expected to be mined around the year 2140. Looking ahead, the world of cryptocurrency is continually evolving. Innovations such as the Lightning Network aim to address scalability issues, enabling faster and more cost-effective transactions. These developments could enhance Bitcoin's usability and potential adoption in various industries. Moreover, ongoing research explores environmentally friendly mining practices, addressing concerns about the energy consumption associated with traditional mining methods. As the technology matures, we may witness sustainable solutions that align with the growing emphasis on environmental responsibility. Governments and institutions are increasingly acknowledging the significance of blockchain technology. Stay tuned for developments in this space, as regulatory clarity and institutional involvement may pave the way for a broader acceptance and integration of Bitcoin into the mainstream financial landscape. The strength of the Bitcoin network lies in its community. Developers, miners, and users all play pivotal roles in shaping its future. Active community engagement, open discussions, and collaborative efforts contribute to the resilience and adaptability of the cryptocurrency space. Remember, Bitcoin is a fascinating technology with the potential to reshape the world of finance. However, it's still a relatively new and evolving space, so proceed with caution and always stay informed. With that being said, wrapping your head around Bitcoin can be quite the headache. Hopefully this video shed a little light on the subject for you. If you've got any burning questions or just want to dive deeper, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Your curiosity keeps this conversation going. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And as always, do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for joining us today. and we'll see you in the next video.